Okay, that's on. I took the first version of this camera back to the shop after playing with it quite a while. I just couldn't get the vibration out of it, so I figured it was defective somehow. So this is how I've been getting on with the new one. I'm a lot happier. It's still not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. So what I'm doing is just using a little rubber loop. It's pipe lagging material, just pushing the GO2 in there, and then just holding it like that on the drone. So here it is attached to a Bugs 3 Mini, EX2 Mini. That seems to damp it down pretty well. It's just clamped in there with a bit of Velcro. And here's the Big Brother version, which is, again, it's the same Bugs 3 motherboard, but it's in a Bugs 6 frame with Bugs 3 motors and other bits. And on the side, of course, I've got my drone finder. So this seems to work pretty well.